Departure Planner. The Departure Planner is a service available for the electric and hybrid vehicles. It gives you the opportunity to set departure times when you need the vehicle to be ready in terms of battery charging and air conditioning. You can set your departure times in the Skoda Connect app. You can enter the Departure Planner either through the air conditioning tile or through the battery charging tile by clicking on the Schedule a Plan button. Here you can set the temperature that you want the car to have when you enter it, simply by moving the slider or by clicking on the arrows, and then confirm by clicking on Set. If your vehicle is also equipped with auxiliary heater, you can choose whether you want to use it for heating instead of battery usage. Here you can also set the minimum charge level to be reached always when the Departure Planner is active. When you click on Timers, you can configure your own departure times. Click on one of the departures and set whether you want the car to be charged, air-conditioned, or both. Then select if you want to set the car for a single departure or repeat it on selected days. For example, every working day, and the time you want the car to be ready. Set the required battery charge level if you want to use the maximum current while charging, and if you want the charging to take place during the off-peak period. Finally, click on Save.